In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Start by launching Settings and scrolling to tap on Display section available here. Then choose Display Size and Text, and operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. So when I go back, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!